These vents on MK5 Volkswagens are known to rattle quite a lot, and they're supposed to be used for air dispersion to help with fogging up of the windshield. However, a lot of people swap them out for these nice mats to place sunglasses, phone, whatever you want up there. So you're gonna need some Torx bits, interior trim tools, and make sure this is closed. And then with some gentle prying, lift it up. Some will have an electrical connector here. This doesn't, because this is a dummy spot. Towards the front of the car, in the middle of this spot, is a T20 screw. Go ahead and take that out, being cautious not to drop it in the process. Then it should just pull right out. It's going to be easier or harder depending on what condition all your clips around here are in. If yours is rattling a lot, it's probably going to be easier to pull this out. Make sure that your clips are actually there. If they're left in there, you'll have to fish them out. If you look on the mat, there are two spots for screws. They are actually down here in where the vent is. So you have to take those screws out, and that allows you to actually secure it. So T20s again, make sure you don't drop these. All right. Then set this in, being mindful of the front clips, and then reasonably gentle taps all around. One thing to mention, if you don't seal these edges, you will have your air conditioning and heat leak through this hole, so just make sure that it's actually pressed down. Then we're gonna go back to these two screws, put them in the holes. I'm just gonna do hand tight. And there's your shelf.